Hirap. I am honestly not quite sure where this vlog is going. I just filmed myself over and over for the past few days or few weeks that has been raining. Although there were days na hindi naman siya ganun kalakas, so it's nice to go out, but there were also days that I had no choice but just to really stay at home, especially if wala namang kailangan gawing sa labas. I think that's what's giving me the love and hate relationship with the rainy season. I mean, back in the days, I really loved the rainy season. It just gives me joy, and I don't know, it gives me peace and a warm feeling even if I feel cold. But I think over time, as I observed the world more, I began to have this hate feeling because I know that for a lot of people, it's not the same. I mean, for them, it's a survival mode. For them, it's something that's gonna give them heartaches or traumas or sleepless nights. I am so grateful to have a roof above my head in the rainy season, but I know that there are many people out there who are struggling. So my prayers and sympathy goes out for those people who are greatly affected by the rain, typhoon, and everything that's going on because of this season.
Lapti ka pa si Liit. What are you guys doing?
My lovely wife, Pakankoy, you look so beautiful.
Like what Jekka and Warren are showing here sa side.
The most ultimate thing to see in the Bible about marriage is that it exists for the glory of God. Actually, that's how we started together.
Pakinggan niyo ang sagot ko. Anong sinagot ko sa'yo?
Ayaw ko sa'yo.